Hi, I'm Gene Preuss, Associate Professor of History in the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. In this last video, we're going to take everything we've done in the other videos, from backward planning to building assignments and creating modules, and wrap that all together. We'll work on finishing up the homepage and some other customizations of the Canvas LMS for your course. Let's go ahead and get started. When we open UHDinstructure.com, we're going to go and find a course page. We'll start with this one. Here's a blank page. There are a couple of modifiable pages, the home page and the syllabus page. And let's look at each of those real quick. One of the things you're going to see is that in each of the pages, there's a couple of shaded areas that are completely modifiable that need to be deleted so that you can add your own information. And one of these things you're going to notice is a blank photograph area. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our files and let's upload a couple of images that we can use as we're editing. The first file I'm going to use is a Canvas banner that was created by the graphic artists in the CTLE. The second file is a headshot of myself. We can now return to the home page, and in fact we can look at all the pages. If we look at all the pages, we can see that the home page is the only one we have created right now. We're going to add more later on. Now, you can edit everything on this page from the title of the page. Let's say that you want to say, we'll change this to start here or something, but let's say you want to change the image. So remember, we uploaded a couple of photos a minute ago. One of those was a banner for this Canvas page. So I'm just going to insert that. You can personalize the information at the bottom of the banner. And then you can scroll down and change other information to personalize your course. You can change titles, you can change the information. Because it's a what you see is what you get screen, you can pretty much see what things are going to look like. You can also change your photograph. Remember, we added a photograph, so you can insert your photograph here so that students will know who you are, change your name, and really personalize this as much as you want. Now, there is a part down here at the bottom that you want to delete. It can be a little tricky. You might need to get some help from the CTLE, or if you know how to use code, that makes it easy too. But you can personalize this in a number of ways. One other way of personalizing the course is by changing the card the students see when they log on to Canvas. So for this, we're going to go to Settings. Here at the front, you'll see Image option. So we're going to choose Image to upload that banner file that we used earlier. So we're going to go ahead and select that, upload it, and that will change the card the student sees when they log on to Canvas, and they're able to select our course a little bit easier because they can associate it with a certain image and not just a color. One of the other features you can change in settings is the navigation. Now, you can't change the course menu on the left-hand side, but you can rearrange the order, and you can also hide some things. So the section here at the bottom is what the students cannot see. The section at the top above this is what students can see. And by simply dragging and dropping, you can rearrange and you can also hide. So you can hide things by dragging them to the bottom section. Likewise, you can move things to the top section that are hidden. And in that way, you can personalize the screen to a small extent. Finally, let's make some changes to the syllabus page. Now, in the default page, there is a part that you need to take out. And if you know a little bit of code, it makes it easier, or you can get help from the CTLE. Now, to populate my course syllabus page, I'm going to open up my Word document of my syllabus. I'm going to cut and paste the entire document, and I'm just going to paste it over onto the course syllabus page in Canvas. And then I'll go through and make sure that the formatting is the way that I want it to be. Now, at the top, I want students to be able to download a PDF version of the syllabus. So I'm going to upload a file, the PDF version, and Canvas LMS will automatically insert that into the right location. Now, once you have your syllabus imported and however you want to set it up, one of the things we need to do is come down to the bottom of the syllabus page and look at what is called the course summary. The summary is essentially a calendar feature like you might have found in Blackboard, but it's integrated into the syllabus page. And the nice thing about this, while you do have the traditional schedule in the syllabus, the summary has hot links to each one of the assignments as well as the due date, so the students can go directly from the summary to an assignment. When personalizing your course, you have the option of editing this out. You can go here to the Show Course Summary toggle switch and decide whether or not you want to show that to the students or not, and then just update the status, and then the course summary will either appear or disappear as you have selected. Now, in my case, I do think that it's a good idea to show it to the students, so I have the course summary set up for the students. I'm going to make one final check in Student View to see if the course is ready to go, and I'm pretty happy with it. Now, there's a lot of helps you can find online, and UHD has set up help for faculty who are transitioning to Canvas. There's also the TTLC and the CTLE has plenty of resources for you as well. Well, thank you for watching this short video on wrapping everything up and getting your LMS course ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and call or email me, and I'll get back in touch with you, and maybe we can work on some of these things together. Thanks for watching.